Hey there, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how to find message details in Outlook. This is going to be helpful when you receive an email that looks suspicious and you need IT to dig deeper into where it came from, where it went through, and really it's just helpful to determine whether or not the email is nefarious, phishing, or legitimate. We'll start right here. So what you want to do is open up any email that looks suspicious that you need to dig into. And right now I have one from our security training service. In the upper right hand corner of that email, you'll see a three-dot menu for more actions. You'll go ahead and click on that. And then you want to go down this view and hover over that, and it will expand a secondary menu. In the secondary menu, you want to select View Message Details. And in here, you've got a whole lot of text. So I want you to click on the upper left corner and drag, and then I want you to highlight everything within this window. You can use Control A for all to highlight all, and then Control C to copy. But I'm going to right click and click copy. And then here, you want to send us all of this text. You could just forward this in an email. That is probably the simplest way to get it to us. But ideally, you would open up a notepad and create a new note file. You'll paste all of this in. That gives us a nice clean document to review. You'll save this as, we're going to go ahead and save this into our downloads folder. Actually, I'll save it on my desktop. And then give it a name so that way we know what we're looking at. I don't need to see this received from and all of that. You can just do suspicious email or just email from today's date, we're going to say. So 2026, and then we'll do 423. And unless you're getting a whole bunch of these in a day, you can kind of stop there and we'll know. And then maybe you could put on your name or something, but we can also modify that as we need to. So you'll select save, and then you're going to want to get us that file. So you can email that file to us, or you can put it on a shared drive and share it with us that way. Well, I hope that this has been helpful, and until next time, be safe out there and don't get phished.